When you first enter the website, you're presented with this login page, and you enter your details and then click login. Then you're taken to a dashboard where if you scroll down, you can see the latest arrivals, trending products, and the overview of your recent orders. So if we click into carpet, there's our first example. You get the products displayed, you can page through them, or you can select the extension number of results or sort them A to Z. And if you type in here, it will search them as you type. So then you click into there, and then you get all the different designs presented to you. Click on a design. It'll then go off and do a livestock check and go get your prices. You can then add a cut in feet or meters, or you can change the width of the product you're trying to look for. In this instance, it's only got one width, but some of them have got 2 or 3 widths. You can then enter your links and around the reference for your product line. And then if you click add to basket, that immediately reserves the stock. So that's on our system, with it ready to be checked out. If you collect it, select this multi-stock, multi-cuts section. You can add multiple cuts in one go. And what this does is it will try to color match these selected products. Again, it's the same batch. So you add them to your basket all in one go. So when you click add to basket, they then pop down and it's reserved. We've also got this roles tab. So if you click into the roles tab, again, you can change the units and you can add the available role, or you can pre-order role. If we haven't got the one that you're looking for, it's not long enough. So then what we'll do is go into the wood section, and if you click into here, you'll see that we've got packs and pallets on this section. So you can enter the number of backs you want, and if you enter more than we've got available, it will tell you and ask you to call the office. If you click onto the pallets, you can order a pallet that we haven't got in stock. And if we haven't got any in stock, it will allow you to place an out of stock order. So you'll be able to order it, kind of pre-order it before it comes in. So next section is the account. So you get your business details and you click into my orders, and that'll show you your historic orders and then search them on order number. Or you can click the tabs at the top to sort by the actual status of the order and click account statement, which gives you a summary of your current position. And you can click update details, which will allow you to enter updated details. And they get sent off to us in the office, but you can click change password, which again allows you to update your details and get it sent off to the office, and we'll update them on the system for. If you then click into the basket, you'll see a preview of your basket, which click from this landing page. Then you can click proceed to checkout. Here you see an overview of your order, the details where you're going to go pick it up from. In this instance, it's a collection only customer. So they've already got the delivery details. I'm going to delivery. If you've got a delivery customer, you can toggle between collection or delivery. You can select your collection date, which is listed here, and then that will set it for the whole order. Or you can then select individual dates for individual products. So I want to go select this one on one day. I want to go collect this one on a different day on the way to the job. You can then click I confirm and place your order. And that goes onto the system as a live order.